Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we've got a bit of an exciting release from CPG. So for those that don't know, CPG is a refinery right here in Melbourne, and they've been playing around with some stuff, and I've hinted at it on a couple of live streams before, but we've actually got the product here, and I've got to say it looks fantastic. So I just thought we'd do a quick burst on it. You'll actually see it on our website for sale, so you can go there. There'll be a link either above my head or below, or probably both, to the advert. But yeah, it's fantastic stuff. So they've produced one that you may have seen before, which is the Tael. Particularly in a lot of Asian cultures, they buy their gold in taels or longs. And I know I've butchered that word, so anyone who knows how to pronounce it correctly, you'll have to excuse me. But they're both 37.5 grams, and it's traditionally how it was bought in a lot of Asian countries. So the Tael looks quite similar to this. So it looks like a bit of a donut, and it weighs, we're used to dealing in ounces, it weighs 37.5 grams. So you can see there, they've produced a fantastic gold one, and it's exactly 37.5 grams, and it's got the characters on it, and they've just, like, the way it's been produced, the way it's been polished, it's really been done to an incredible detail. So it's absolutely stunning to see, and I'm really pleased to get hold of it, because we've always struggled a little bit to get enough Taels in to support the demand. So now we've got that local source. We should pretty much always have them in stock, which is fantastic. But the one that's really exciting me is one that they played around with, which is the silver. They've actually produced us, it's not a Tael because it doesn't actually weigh 37.5 grams, but it's the distant cousin, if you like, of the gold Tael. They've actually produced a silver version of it for us, and it's exactly 1 ounce. So not 37.5 grams, so it'll be 31.1035 grams, but looks the same. They did actually do one in the 37.5, but because silver's less dense than gold, it kind of, it didn't look right. It had a very tiny little hole in the middle, and it just kind of looked a bit bloated. So they came down to this 1 ounce one, and it just absolutely looks superb. And it's going to be far cheaper than obviously a Tael of gold. So grab them while you can. We should be able to get them fairly consistently throughout the year. It's something different. You don't see this sort of thing. It's not a bar, it's not a coin, it's a donut, if you like. And it just looks great, the way they've produced it and polished it and all those things. So really excited to see these in the store. They should be quite reasonably priced. I haven't actually run the pricing on them yet, but they'll be pretty reasonably priced. And it's just something different. So again, adding flavour to your stack, it's a bit of a talking point. Really excited about them, if you can't tell. But yeah, that's it for now. We'll talk again soon. Share it around, and yeah, we'll move from there. All right, see you again soon.